This is the 13th of June 2017. We're at Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida, and we're in the test area where you see literally dozens of screw presses. We're going to run a test over here. We're going to be using a twin screw press on Cranberries. And talk about screw presses and shredders. We've got everything imaginable. And for this test, we deliberately picked the twin screw press. The test is going to be run with overripe, bunched, and bad cranberries. These are all bad cranberries. These are soft. We've got some starting to ferment. And as you can see, these are bad cranberries. We're going to run them in this twin screw press. Usual arrangement: motor, gearbox, single shaft going into a pair of gears in here that give it one to drive both of the screws. You see both of the screws here in the inlet hopper. That is sugar beet on them right now. The screen is wedge wire with the slots on the inside are about 15 thousandths of an inch slot opening. And here's the discharge cone, or a pair of them, closing off the discharge. They are actuated by air cylinders. Since we have this is 6 pails here, and it takes a lot to fill up this press, we are going to chase out the cranberries with what we were testing yesterday, which is sugarcane bagasse. We'll see how that turns out. You can't quite tell what you're looking at, but this is a bigger shaft diameter. The shafts of the two screws are conical in shape, so this is going to squeeze extra hard. You can see the cone arrangement. We're going to catch the press liquor and press cake from the cranberries to get a rough idea of what sort of juice yield to expect. Okay, we're getting started. We have the screws going about 15 RPM. We picked this twin screw press because it has the right throughput capacity according to what the client has told us they want to run. And we set the speed at 45 hertz, about 15 RPM. Let's see how it looks like going in here.
Oh yeah, he wants it open so it starts coming out.
And yeah, we're getting some juice and goop out of these. But they're feeding nicely. Twin screw press feeds real well, no matter how slippery or slimy or bad the stuff you throw into it. Okay, we're getting material here. We'll have to build up a plug there. And okay, we're starting to form the plug. I'm going to we're breaking up the cranberries. That's what we wanted, to break these up. And we thought a twin screw press has a lot more shearing action to break them up. I set the air pressure much higher to 4 bar, and I'm down to 3 bar now. And yes, these cranberries are coming out pretty well broken up. And press liquor, don't see a lot of pulp in this press liquor. And we're feeding it in. We have everything here. Here's our press cake down here. Okay, feeding in the last pail. to screen the unbroken ones out. Not sure how you'd do that. I could probably increase the air pressure, and this is feeding well enough. I don't think we'll use the chaser tactic. Oh, go ahead, chase it out. Yeah, we're gonna feed sugarcane bagasse in here. Elizabeth, take a look at the amps. See if they go up with this bagasse. We might jam the press. Bagasse is incompressible, and this press compresses.
Should be enough to push it out, bro.
Could have fed this material into. We were running these Friday. Those are the foam ink cartridges, foam pads from toner cartridges. Yeah, that's a brown liquid. That's sugarcane juice. We don't want that. And pull out the bucket. We've pulled the cone open, letting the sugarcane bagasse come out. What happened to our amps? Anything? Do you know? Okay, we've got 72 minus 4.4 minus 5. 72 pounds of press liquor. And press cake, we've got 51 pounds minus 6 pounds for the container. 45 pounds of pulp.